and welcome back to a new video from me. Today we are going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of February. I do these videos every single month here on my channel. I always get excited to unbox my boxes with you guys, so I'm going to be sharing with you all of the products that came inside of my box from February. So if that sounds good, why don't we go ahead and jump right in. All right, you guys, it is a new month, which means a new Boxycharm unboxing. We are in the month of February, which is crazy. I feel like this year is already going by very quickly, but we have a new Boxycharm for our month of February, so I'm going to be unboxing this one with you. I did get a larger box, so I'm very curious to see what we got this month. If you are new to my Boxycharm unboxings, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. It is $25 a month for the original box. They also have new boxes now, so there is a Boxy Luxe. There's also a premium box. I will have the link down below if you want to sign up for it, but like I said, this box right here is $25. I'm going to go ahead and see what we got this month, so let's go ahead and open up my box. So here is the card for this month. It is the Adore box. I believe it says Adore all over it. I have variation number 19 in the corner there. You always get these cards that have all the information and the prices on the inside. So we do have that, and I will have my weight of my box along with the dimension of my box down in the description below if you are curious. So I'm just going to start digging out products. So this first thing here is from Evio Skin X Aurora. This is the Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Interesting. I don't think we've really ever gotten like makeup wipes inside of our box before. Let me know if we have, but I don't think I have since I've been getting Boxycharm. So here is what that looks like. It's just going to be some cleansing wipes, and let's see how many. It says how many are in here. So there are 15 wipes total in here, and let's go ahead and see the price on this. So the price on these wipes is $10, and again, you get 15 different wipes. That's kind of something different to get inside of here. Okay, next up in my box, we have a hair care product. This is from Amika. This is the Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. I've never tried this before, so let's see what it says. This Supreme Leave-In Cream weightlessly conditions, tames frizz, and heat protects. Definitely need something to tame the frizz. My frizz, you guys, since I had Rowan, is just like out of control. It says for touchably soft hair that's full of shine, ideal for fine to medium hair. Work through damp hair, use on dry hair to tame flyaways or refresh dry ends. Flyaways, I like that. Okay, so the price on this one here from Amika is $25. Next in here we have, this is from Luxie. This is the complete sponge set. I didn't even know Luxie had sponges. I like a lot of their brushes. We often get some of them in our Boxycharms. I really, really like them. So this set in here has 3 different sponges, and this is a $40 value. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out so I can feel how soft they are. I love getting new sponges because that is something I'm constantly using, so I like this in here. So let's see. Ooh, they feel pretty soft. So it looks like we have 3 different sponges total. So this one has like a rounded end right here, and then we also have this one, which is more of like a curved end, so this one would be good to like bake out. And then we have this tiny little one, which I feel like would be nice for even concealer, just to get right in there. So 3 different sponges. These feel pretty soft. I like the colors of these too. I think they're cute with like the gray and the nudes. So again, $40 is quite a bit, but you get 3 different sponges, and I will be definitely testing those out. And like I said, I didn't know Luxie had sponges, so that is exciting. So we have those in there. Definitely some different products with the wipes and the sponges that we normally get. And then next in here, we have facial radiance pads. These are from First Aid Beauty, and here is what those look like. I have tried these before. For me personally, I have a little bit of sensitive skin, nothing too crazy, but these were a little intense on me. It says that you can use them daily, and I remember using these and my skin just like wasn't a fan. It was quite an exfoliant on me. So my friend loves these though, so I'll probably gift this to her, but they're $16 each, and inside of here you get 28 pads inside of here, and these are supposed to help exfoliate, tone, and brighten the skin. I know these are so many people's holy grails. Just for me, if you do have sensitive skin, I would just recommend maybe only doing it like once a week because they can be a little bit intense. And then the last item that we have inside of here is a palette. And this is the palette I've been seeing going around. This one here is from Iconic London. This is the Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. Very sleek packaging. I love the rose gold, very pretty. It's kind of bulky. It's a little bit thick here. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, pretty, pretty. So here is the inside of this palette. Gorgeous. This has a lot of like neutral shades, but some gold, some pinks in here. Really, really gorgeous. So it has 20 shades. It looks like we have mattes, shimmers, and glitters in here. Let me go ahead and see the price on this palette. So it retails for $62, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the shadows. We do have a nice mirror on here as well. I like the fact that it's a little bit of a larger palette because I feel like we sometimes get those little minis. So I'm gonna swatch all the shades and let you guys know how they feel. All right, so I have to say I'm pretty impressed with these swatches. They look really, really gorgeous. So this is all 20 of the shades swatched right here. The mattes felt really buttery, like really soft in the pan, like they're gonna be pretty pigmented, and the foiled shimmers feel just really, really buttery, very smooth, and when I apply them, like they look very, very pigmented. I'm excited about this palette. I've never tried Iconic London's like eyeshadow palettes, so you'll have to let me know if you've tried their palettes in the past, but this one looks pretty promising. To summarize, my box is $152 value, so if you end up getting my variation, that is the total cost of this box. You're getting it for the $25 again. I really like this palette. I think it's very, very pretty. I love the swatches. Can't wait to test that one out on the eyes. I love the fact that we got sponges this month. That's something different, so I like that set there from Luxie. The hair product from Mika, I'm curious to try just because it says you can use for flyaways on like dry hair. That has me very, very interested in that. We have the makeup wipes, which is something different to get, and then we also have the facial radiance pads, which again I said aren't my favorite product, but it is nice to get skincare in here as well. So kind of a different variation. We have the makeup, the hair care, the skincare, so lots of different things in this month's BoxyCharm. You will have to let me know down in the comment section down below what you got in your box this month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.